So in the past, the big challenge was that advertising was bought in a silo. So you had one team buying mobile, you had another team buying tablet, and one third team buying for computers. But it really is the same consumer, so there is no reason that this should be broken out in these silos. It really started with the change in consumer behavior. So consumers are constantly switching between screens. So we have one stat that shows that consumers do this 27 times an hour. You go from your phone, tablet, computer, phone, tablet, computer. Through Tapad, the industry has the ability now to focus on hitting that particular consumer no matter what device they are on. So the big change in our industry now is that advertisers are looking at this from a holistic perspective. I want to reach that particular consumer no matter what device he's on. I want to reach them at an optimal time, and I also want to measure the effectiveness of my programs from a holistic perspective, not from the silos. Advertising has really gone from being kind of blasted, the same thing blasted out to everyone, to being much more personalized for that particular consumer. For the consumers, there are a couple of benefits. Number one thing that consumers are annoyed about is irrelevant advertising. If you're in the market for a car, I'd rather want to see a car ad than a diaper ad. It helps them in the research process, especially for these big ticket items. So increasing the relevancy of advertising to a consumer has definitely a benefit for the consumer. So that has just changed the industry in a big way. So the whole mission for us is really to unify life across all devices. From an advertiser perspective, from a consumer perspective, from a publisher perspective, everything that is continuous and it's unified and it's synchronized across all your different screens and also all your physical behavior. Both the advertising ecosystem and the marketing ecosystem, everything needs to go in that direction, because all of these fragmented little pieces here and there doesn't make sense. And the consumers will not accept that in the long run either, that everything is fragmented, that they need to see a unified messaging from a brand. From the beginning said out, okay, let's not create another fragmentation here. Let's do the opposite and try to create the unified approach across absolutely everything. It's a big goal, but it actually paid off well for us, because now everybody else that were fragmented solutions are trying to copy us and trying to create the unification. So we kind of turned the industry upside down a little bit and focused on solving the big problems, and we had others solving smaller problems.